Yeah, the topic is before business rule. So, actually, before submitting the form, you want to some operations like when priority is critical update the information in some custom field site. So, basically, it will be used for some objects in that same table site. So, a business rule runs before a record is inserted, updated, deleted, and queried in the database set. It is mainly used for that validate data. So basically runs on the server side. So no need to use current data update method for that. So basically it updates data before saving it is like when we are using a business before business rule side. Basically when we want to use for that some validate mandatory conditions and calculate values before save modified fields before insert and update side. So these things said we should do for that. So before that we perform on that before business rule side. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
So I want to create one business rule. What happened? So maybe some network issues there, so that's why it was triggering taking time. So for that we should perform on that previously we developed a farm on that finance management side. So at that time only at that farm only we should perform particular business rule operations. Yeah. Yeah. Populate information of finance record. So I want to enable advanced. So when the active is true. So insert is enough, but I enable update as well as. So I will add a message for this. Please populate the before description to be same as short description. So in that advanced side, we should Save this. So in the finance management side, open the form, new one. So here vendor field is there, and same as well as short description and before description field I was taken. So this was a string, same it as a like a short description field like that. So in that this was backend name was u underscore before. So when the short description when we are performing this, it was auto populated in that before description as well as, and same it as in that when the vendor when the vendor name will be auto populated in that before description side. So this is my task right now. I'm doing that. So in that advanced side, I need to write the script variable current dot short description. That this is the backend name. So in that I need to I need to add some kind of activities here. This object I need to configure here, and I need to print those values. Same I need to populate here, and whichever is there u underscore before equals. So save this. So we need to check before business rule is working or not on the finance record side. Yeah, I need to choose vendor. Some Acme China that was taken. So I need to add vendor code 1234 and vendor color as well as some Alfonso Gricklin added, and vendor location, whichever mandatory field is there, we need to add over here. And short description would be before description to test for business rule. So I need to populate this on this before description side. Click on save. Yeah, see here, this whichever message we are passed over there, this was populated. Yeah, I thought it will work. Yeah, see here, before description to test for business rule is working. So, and again, I need to, I need to, whichever vendor is there, I need to update over here in the before description side. So that is the script need to do now. So in that action side, Yeah, same variable, vendor, current dot, u underscore vendor. So I need to call this vendor object here. So with vendor. So save this. Is this working or not? We need to check now. Yeah, go there. So we'll open new record. We'll check. A new record is came. So I call this 789. So Warren Hatcher I mentioned. Vendor location. Virginia. And before description to test for before business rule with vendor. On vendor field with vendor. Click on save. Yeah, please populate the before description to be same as a vendor. Yeah. See here. Here I want to populate with vendor name, but here syside is came. So what should be now? What should I do now? In that advanced side, go to that script side. I need to call this get display value. So save this. Go to that new form. We'll check vendor. Okay. 10 micro selected. Yes. Vendor color. Vendor location. So spare parts I selected. So before description to test for business rule with vendor. So I need to save this form. We'll check this working or not. Yeah, came. See here, trend micro came now. So the before business rule is working fine. So we should go now after business rule. So in that previously before business rule is working fine, but now we are working on after business rule. After business rule is when you are after submitting the form, whichever, and after action is taken. So in that we can, when we are handling with that some kind of so suppose in that incident form updating anything, so I want to update in that particular problem table set. So in the different table set we should perform, we can use based on that after business rule. So we use after business rule rules for operations that should happen only after the record is successfully stored in the database side, such as so some kind of activities, kind of notification, related record updates, so event trigger side. So we should perform using a after business rule. So in that after the business rule script will execute for that. So this is my use case I want to perform. So we'll create the problem ticket through the incident ticket when user change the incident state. So incident state field value as an on hold. So color, short description and assignment group based on this field side. I need to work on that after business rule. So we'll check. We'll go to that same and business rule side. Business rules. So I want to open incident form. So see here, click on new. So here number is there and color. I want to work on color. Configuration item is there. This was CMDB underscore CI was a backend name. This field name and short description and assignment group. So I want to perform on this based on this field only. We need to work on that. So color, short description and configuration item and assignment group. So the same thing, problem dot list. So when we are doing the business rule operation, so based on those four fields, so when we are populated this and the same table based on those form fields, we need to create on the problem table as well as. So the same problem statement and assignment group configuration item, whichever we selected over there, we need to auto populate it over here. So we should work on that after business rule on that incident table. So what is that problem ticket? Instant ticket when user change. Incident auto create of problem. when state incident. So I need to select advanced when to run state s- state on hold. State is on hold. State is on hold. Based on this field, we should work on this. So click on advanced. We need to insert or update. Reload the form. What happened? To advanced. I need to work on that after what happened. Yeah, advanced is key. Insert and update. I need to perform on that after business rule. So variable configuration item equals current dot cmdb underscore ci is the backend name configuration item variable short description current dot. What is the backend name of short description here? Short underscore description. Short underscore description assignment group current dot assignment group. So I need to work on the problem table. So new glide record. What is the problem table? Problem. So I thought sure. Same backend name, whichever instance is have problem also same. I thought short description equals cmdb underscore ci equals configuration item and assignment group equals assignment group. Want to insert GS add info message dot number. Ticket has been created through incident record. So based on the incident record only, we are creating problem ticket. So again, we need to recheck incident actions. Okay, I don't want to add any message. So after business rule only, state is on hold. I need to save this form. To go to the incident form. Caller will take virtual agent. So when the state is on hold only, it will be work. Awaiting caller. So configuration item is with IBM and assignment group is application development. The impact is high, urgency is high. So incident record is updating based on the state field when is on hold. Need to save this. We'll see if that message is pop. Yeah. Ticket, problem ticket has created. Okay. We'll check. Problem 006. Refresh the list. Yeah, it is updated. So whichever we added fields. Yeah. Configuration item is came. Assignment group is came. And whichever short description, nothing but here in that problem side, problem statement. It was created na. Again, we retest. We'll check again. So Alisa Monjai. So when the on hold only, it will be work. So configuration item. So asset IBM is selected and assignment group as well as I'll select as application development. Again, incident record is creating a problem based on the state field. So again, save this form. Yeah, here await color, and again save this form. Yeah, ticket is created.
Great.
So problem ticket has been created through incident record. So go to there. Yeah, see here, created na.
Yes.
So whichever short description and assignment group and configuration item that was populated in the problem statement side. Configuration item, assignment group. So in that whichever short description side we wrote na. So those short description auto populated over here in the problem statement side. So this is the before and after business rule. So keep practicing on this. So we'll discuss on that later. Asynchronous business rule and display business rule. Okay.